It's October, and when I think of October, I think of Halloween, and when I think of Halloween, I think of pumpkin. So today I'm going to be doing a fun little breakfast that's perfect for Halloween, and it goes along perfectly with this, my favorite protein powder, Earth Chimp. So today we're going to be doing chimp or treat, and I think Earth Chimp is the treat. Today I'm going to be making a high protein pumpkin spice waffle, which is perfect to serve Halloween morning. So let's get right into it. So the star of the show for these waffles is going to be Earth Chimp, organic, vegan, protein powder. Delicious. A few things about Earth Chimp: 100% satisfaction guaranteed. This is all organic. It is no refined sugar. It's 20 grams of protein per serving, and it just has a delicious natural vanilla flavor that is going to really add to these waffles. Not only is it going to add protein, it's going to add some little sweetness. I also love that it's organic. I love that it's made in Ireland. I think that makes it so special. It's got probiotics. They also donate 10% of their profits to helping to remove plastic from the ocean. So I just like their message as a company. So there'll be a link down below for 10% off. If you buy $45 or more, then you get free shipping. So I'm gonna put everything into my Vitamix. I like to make things super easy for myself, and you know, a lot of times people are like, you do the dry ingredients, then here's the wet ingredients. No, I'm just gonna throw it all in the blender and it's gonna be just fine. So here is my well-used Vitamix. You can see, got lots of minerals on here from all the greens I put in here. So let's start adding in our ingredients. The full recipe will be in the description box. Okay, I've got some plant milk. I've got some pumpkin, of course, because why not? We're making pumpkin waffles. I'm gonna add some Kite Hill vegan Greek style yogurt for more protein. By using pumpkin and yogurt and things like that, you don't need to use eggs or butter or oil. All right, then for my spices, I have baking powder, baking soda, ground flaxseed. I have some pumpkin pie spice mix, and I've got some vanilla bean powder. And you can, of course, use regular vanilla if you want. And then I've got a scoop of the vanilla, Earth Chimp protein powder. And then I've got some oat flour, which I just ground up myself, but you can buy it in the store if you want more of a fine grind, but I kind of like this, this grind. So we're gonna add that in. And then if we need more liquid, we're just gonna add water, because these are gonna be on the lower calorie side, and we wanna keep it that way. I'm gonna go blend these up, and then we're gonna make some waffles. So the secret to making the waffles, to make sure they don't stick, is make sure your waffle iron is super hot. And look at that. That's super hot. I like my batter real thick like this for waffles. All right, we're gonna close the lid, and then we're just gonna let it cook. When you're able to remove the waffle easily, then it's done. So we're just gonna let these cook, and I'll be back. All right, let's check. Oh yeah. See how it came off so easily? So you want these cooked like 5 to 7 minutes. This one was 7 minutes. All right, I'm gonna make the rest of the waffles, and then we're going to give them a taste. So I just added some blueberries. A serving size is 1.5 of these waffles. With the blueberries, it comes to $3.97 and 23 grams of protein. And just want to show you that they are light and fluffy and yummy. So good. Let's give it a quick taste. Oh yeah. I don't even need syrup. They're so good. Make sure you use that link below for your Earth Chimp to get 10% off. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And also, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video so you don't miss a video. I do lots of videos with whole food, plant-based, low-calorie dense meals. So if that's your thing, then please subscribe. I hope you have a safe Halloween and try these waffles. And you tell me, chimp or treat? And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with chimp or treat and let me know which one you prefer. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.